Hello, I'm Chuck LaMarche with Toyota of New Orleans, and hurricane season is around the corner. So we would like to invite you into Toyota New Orleans for our hurricane evacuation special, because the last thing we want to see is you stranded on the side of the road. So we'd like to ensure that your vehicle is reliable and safe. If you're trying to escape the raging river waters, we have immediate openings for our hurricane evacuation special. For $39.95, we will change your oil up to 5 quarts, the oil filter, rotate your tires, perform a multi-point safety inspection which includes your brakes, exhaust, suspension, steering, fuel system, filters, and other areas of your vehicle. We will also check your battery to ensure it's a strong battery, because again, the last thing we want to see is you stranded on the side of the road. Please call now at 504-940-1600 and make an appointment with either Chuck, Charlie, or Will. See you soon, and thank you for your business.